If your New Year's resolution is to make more revenue with your video sales letter funnel, then this video is for you. Give me the next 5 minutes and I will show you the least time consuming strategy you can put in place to bring more revenue into your business using your existing VSL funnel so that we don't have to make any large changes that take up lots of time and money to do so. Hi, my name is Daniel Barrows. I am co-founder of Sandford Video Ads, where we apply ad strategies to people's businesses to earn them more revenue and profits without taking away from the success they've already figured out for themselves. And in each of our videos, we point out one improvement or one method that you can use to bring in more revenue or profit in the next 48 hours. Now, I know many people will prefer ad strategies that are designed to save time, and the video sales letter strategy, because it's designed to book you calls that are the highest quality, that is definitely designed to save you time. But the trade-off for doing so is that getting more booked calls to result in more clients, especially if you're selling a high ticket offer, it can be more difficult because what is the VSL doing? Well, what it's doing is it's filtering out a large number of leads who are considered to be not a good fit now, meaning that every single call you have at the other end of the VSL funnel, you will turn more into a client. I'll stand out of the way here so you can see the whiteboard. But what happens here is, with the VSL funnel, one of the main options people will go to in order to make more money is to, go all the way over here to where the ads are, ADS, and they will say, well, I'm going to double the amount I'm investing into my ads to get double the amount of booked calls. Now, that's not always an option. And it can also be an option that results in you receiving fewer than 2 times your return on investment, simply because when you run more ads and spend more money on them, you can face diminishing returns. Now, there's 2 ways that you can go about combating these diminishing returns if you want to make more money for your VSL funnel. Option number 1 is we need to spend more time and money and effort on creating additional ads. The reason we create additional ads is so that we can reach more of your ideal clients who are in different pockets of your audience. Now, we covered these in several different videos. As a rough idea, you will want to create ad angles that sell the same product from different angles to different types of your ideal clients in order for you to make more sales, but it can be a time-consuming process. It can also be difficult to test ads until you find, for example, 1 or 2 new winning ads. The alternative is to create an easy campaign that fits around your VSL funnel. And what we call this the fast funnel. And give me a moment to explain what it does. In this fast funnel, we are going to offer a free resource called a value bomb. What this value bomb is, it's a free resource that you offer to people in exchange for a conversation. And what we will do with the fast funnel is, out of these 90% of people, there's likely higher than 90% in many cases, they would be we want people who have opted in to the VSL funnel, but not booked a call. So they've already shown a degree of interest in what you have to offer, but the only issue is they've not moved forward to book a call. And what this does, it starts various conversations with them. Now, some of the questions that people ask, wouldn't this be time consuming? And in certain ways, especially when we start, it can be, but it can be a much more efficient way to lead to additional booked calls using the fast funnel strategy than creating up to 20 new ads every single week. There are businesses out there who, due to the amount they're investing in their video sales letter funnel, need to create dozens of new ads every single week in order to combat this ad fatigue and the need to reach more people in their market. Whereas in many cases, it can be a lot simpler to launch the fast funnel campaign and immediately start booking more calls using this method. Now, if you want the entire fast funnel method, step by step, that you can set this up in the next 48 hours, you honestly can, then drop a line below and I will send it to you. I won't even ask for your email address or opt-in. This is just a thank you for watching my video. Just something to consider before we go into the new year if you are seeking more calls and more sales for your high ticket offer.